so afraid, 'cause my nights are coming every day, just to tell me how I've been bad and how much I hurt all my dears. But it's time to move on. With my aching head, I can't find the time to heal my scars, 'cause I'm watching me fall as the days come in, and I don't think they will change at all. All these broken feelings that haunts me as I sing this song for you alone. And I could see 1,000 reasons not to be someone just like me, but I can't pretend that I'm not proud of who I am, 'cause I've come this far just with my beliefs and the kindness of a special one. And life has been so hard to live, and I know that I hurt myself along the way. And I can't fight the feeling that there must be another easy way to live my life, okay? And I have been so lost in these crazy days, but I always try to look ahead. I try to find some reason just to be alive, and I just drift through the days. The reason for today is just sing this song while you're away, until the day